Dusting is a struggle which everyone knows very well. When you see dust in your home, you clean it up. And again, in no time, dust settles back again. It's easy to see dust and ignore it. But I'm sure you're not like that. Otherwise, you wouldn't have come here to watch today's video. Dust is a combination of elements which includes skin cells, human hair, dirt, bugs in the dirt, and other intrusive elements which are not good for our health. In today's video, I'm going to share some dusting hacks which can help you out in keeping your home dust-free as much as possible. So let's begin. Sometimes it really becomes difficult to keep the upholstered sofas, bed headboards, or the fabric lampshades inside the home dust-free. These upholstered furniture collects the dust, and mostly on the dark fabrics like these, the dust particles are very much visible. To keep it clean, the lint roller is a great way to remove the dust from the fabrics inside your home. You can use it to clean any fabric surface, but it should be flat. Let me tell you, once you see the amount of dust it gets rid of, you will feel the urge to use it often. The dust, dandruff, and the pet hair settle over the fabric easily. You can't vacuum clean it daily. And also, you can't use the wet cloth to wipe off the dust from such surfaces. Lint roller works the best to get it off from the fabrics. Give it a try and let me know how you feel about it. Now, this is something very interesting I'm going to tell you. Although I'm not a professional cleaner, looking at other people, reading articles, and with my experience, I would say don't use any old towel or discarded cloth to do dusting. Microfiber actually collects the fine particles of dust because microfiber cloth is made of synthetic polyester, which means these clothes are made of plastic and unlike cotton rags, they leave no lint behind. If you're still using old cotton clothes, change them to microfibers. Just to show you here, I put some soil on the table. Now you see, the cotton cloth just made the dust move from side to side and it's not picking up the soil from the table. But microfibers absorb them when you use it to clean any surface. You just need to dust them off or clean them with hot water. One additional tip is to always fold the cloth and divide it into 8 parts so that you can use it to clean 8 different surfaces. Once you clean it from one side, fold it inside and use the other surface to clean new area. These clothes are really the savior when it comes to saving time in cleaning and keeping your home clean. On daily basis, usually we just take wet microfiber cloth to dust off the surfaces. But when you do so, you might have noticed they don't pick up the lint, but instead they make the surface look more dirtier. This happened because the surface already had dust settled, and directly using wet cloth make the dust stick with the water. So it's advisable to first dust off the surface with a dry microfiber cloth. Remove the dust particles from there, make the surface less dusty, and then you can use wet microfiber cloth to clean that surface. If you're doing daily dusting in your home, then you can use wet microfiber cloths and dry one on the alternate days to balance out. We all love to collect artificial plants to decorate our home, but they could be very tricky when it comes to dusting because you can't always clean leaves one by one. Or if the plants are delicate like these, we can't clean them using water. That will ruin its overall look. So the trick is just use a blow dryer in a cold setting bi-weekly. You can take them outside and blow dry it. All the dust will be removed from the plants just in few minutes. If the plants are like these and can be removed from the stems or pot, just run them under the faucet. Let them air dry, or if the leaves of the plants are big enough, just use a wet microfiber cloth to clean. Many times I have told you how to clean the real plants, so I thought this time I would share how I take care of my artificial plants around the home. If you would include dusting your plants in a weekly cleaning routine, they won't get dirty and won't need a lot of attention also. It's usually a kind of problem that we do dusting around the articles and seldom remove them to clean under them. Now, if you see articles like these which are keep on the floor, you would notice a layer of dust that deposits over time and can become thick if not cleaned on time. So always make sure to clean under the articles once a week. Just remove them, use a vacuum cleaner or a broom to dust such areas. Clean the chairs, lamp, planters, and then arrange them back. Now, there are also some articles which are kept on the shelf. They also need proper attention in terms of cleaning. Remove them all, empty the shelf, and then clean it. Clean all the articles and then keep them back. You would see a great difference. When you do dusting without removing them, you are actually not cleaning it properly. And then, when you switch on the fans or open the doors, the dust moves from one place and settles to another. So the message is once a week clean under the articles also. Like any other decorative or functional item in your home, candles get dirty and dusty too. If they are not in use daily, the layer of dust will accumulate and make them look dirty over time. And when you lit your candle, the dirt and debris will burn along with your candle and can cause bad smell and smoke. So to clean them, use a nylon stocking. Gently slide the candle inside and roll it to clean nicely. The nylon stocking will scrape off and trap the dust without damaging the wax. And if it looks dirty beyond repair, dip a microfiber cloth in lukewarm water and wring it out. Clean it in one direction and make sure that in this process you don't break the twig. Now ask this question to yourself that how often do you clean the walls in your home? I never used to do that. And then last year when I was doing the makeover of this bedroom, I saw the wall of this room that it had a lot of dust on it. I noticed a little change in the color, so I got to know about that. And since then, I decided that once a month cleaning the wall is also important. Use your vacuum cleaner and remove the dust from here. Or if you don't want to use a vacuum cleaner, just use a flat mop like this, attach your microfiber cloth to it and clean it in this way. The microfiber cloth will absorb all the dust and make them clean again. I have talked a lot about top to bottom cleaning approach, and I cannot emphasize more on this that yes, cleaning should be done from top to bottom. No matter whether you're deep cleaning your room or doing a regular dusting, it should be from top to bottom. The reason is very simple. When you clean a room from top to bottom, you work with gravity instead of against it. You start with top surfaces first and allow the dust to settle on the bottom surface. So just always keep on going from top to bottom. In the bedroom, the 70% of the area is occupied by the bed, and it's obvious that most of the dust will either be at the back of the headboard or under the bed. Daily cleaning is difficult because you can't reach under the bed to clean it. Take a flat mop and fix the microfiber cloth, and now you can very easily clean under the bed. There are some furniture items even where the flat mop can't reach. You can try using a fly swatter which is so thin and it can easily go under the bed or sofa where there is less space. You just need to wrap a microfiber cloth around it and use a pin to secure it and then dust under such hard to reach areas. As I said earlier, that fabric invites most of the dust. So always make sure that you change the bed sheets in your home at least once a week. Please note that it's not a good practice to shake off the dust from the sheets. It simply makes way for dust to settle somewhere else. Also make sure to clean the back of the headboard, as this is one unattended space where dust gets accumulated. Daily dusting behind the headboard makes the dust come and settle on the sheets and pillows, which won't be good for our health. So when you change the bed sheet, make sure that you also dust the back of the headboard. Once a month, try to use a vacuum cleaner to clean the mattresses. This is all for today's video, and I really hope you're going to find all these dusting hacks useful. If you like today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care, and bye bye.